Cinderella!
As I sing, so I do like breaking favors. You can count me with the dreamers. Like everybody else, I've got a dream.
Magical Friendship Fair.
What? We're so glad you're here!
Hey, what a great day!
This is wonderful!
Welcome all to the place where the stories come alive. What a child inside. So much more to be seen, so much more than a dream. Before your eyes, tomorrow is brighter than you can imagine. Like a shooting star within your heart. Every dream, breaking free. It's a baby that you hold inside. It's a friendship yet to unfold. We will celebrate when magic feels like home.
Everybody's ready!
Oh, Mickey, I just love the Friendship Fair. A day of joy and music and having fun together.
That's right! We traveled far and wide, inviting new friends to today's celebration.
It was a long journey.
We crossed rivers and round forests.
To bring all sorts of friends together in celebration of what makes this kingdom really unique.
All right! Come on, everyone. It's time to officially kick off the magical Friendship Fair. Let's go! I can't wait. Today is going to be such a wonderful, wonderful day. Oh,
You standing way over there. Come and join the Jubilee.
Gosh, well, I ain't got much to add to the party. Well, I'm not good at tap dancing or playing the ukulele.
But everyone's got something to add. A party's like a big pot of gumbo. It takes all the different flavors coming together to make it good.
Really?
She's right, my tall friend. You've got to let loose and cut her up.
Gosh,
You never know what you can do till you try.
You know what Mama Odie would say if she were here. You gotta dig a little deeper to find out who you are. Don't matter what you look like. Don't matter what you weigh. How many rings you got on your finger. We don't care.
We don't care. Doesn't matter where you come from. Don't even matter who you are. Big, small, and short, and tall. We got 'em all in here.
And they all knew what they wanted us to do. Told them what they needed.
Just like we'll be telling you. You got
Distinguished guest.
From the land of the enchanted woodlands.
It's a pleasure to meet you, gentlemen.
How you doing? The pleasure is all mine.
Out of my way, my dirty! Stop!
Watch it, buddy. We do what we want when we want. Just like at the Snuggly Duckling.
Not a dream. Not a dream. Our differences are really that extreme.
Call us brutal, sadistic, and they test me optimistic. Cause way down deep inside we got a dream. I got a dream. I got a dream. I got a dream. I got a dream. Yes, way down deep inside I got a
Miss Mickey, look at the time. We should begin the grand celebration.
Hang on a minute, Minnie. I've got a special surprise for you.
You do?
You see, I know there's someone you've always wanted to meet from the land of the Mystic Mountains.
Oh, Mickey, could it be?
But
Look at all the people! And I can't wait to see what my buddies all think of me. Hello.
Olaf, there you are. You were worried.
Why? Were you lost?
No, Olaf, you were.
But I'm right here with my new friend. This is... And you are...
why, I'm Mickey Mouse.
And this is... And you are...
I'm Minnie.
Good. This is Anna and Elsa. They're sisters.
Oh my, it's an honor to meet you.
Please, the honor is all ours. We're so excited to be here.
From the moment I heard your story, I admired you both so much. Oh, I wish I could be more like you.
But being just who you are is perfect. Everyone has their own unique talents that make them special. You just have to believe that you do.
That's true.
Anything is possible when you have someone you love by your side. That's me.
I want to be there too.
I've learned that you just have to remember to be true to yourself.
That was incredible.
Thank you, Minnie. I hope none of you ever lose sight of being your own person.
Even me.
Even you, Olaf.
Yay! Let's go find more fun.
Bye-bye.
So, did you like your surprise?
Like it? Oh, Mickey, I loved it. I think today might be the best day ever.
Oh gosh, Minnie. Every day with you is the best day ever.
Oh,